It is with great pride and a deep sense of gratitude that I welcome you all to this special occasion, the tile-breaking ceremony making the beginning of a transformative journey for North Penn High School.
As your superintendent, I'm thrilled to be with you today as we celebrate a significant milestone in the history of North Penn High School.
North Penn has stood as a cornerstone of this community at this location since 1971, and before that in Lansdale at what is now Penndale Middle School since 1955. Generations of students have walked North Penn's halls, competed in our gymnasiums, swam in this very pool, performed on our stages, and grown into leaders who have gone on to make their mark in the world.
The Rick Carroll Natatorium, where so many have cheered, competed, and grown, even myself as an opposing coach where I often lost, is a fitting place to begin. It's a place of energy, spirit, and perseverance. And those are exactly the values that will carry us through this project.
It will be a center where kids, students will be able to fulfill their potential and be able to be prepared for the future.
For as long as I can remember, the North Penn Pool has been more than just a place to swim. It has been my second home. My dad swam here, as well as my 3 uncles, 9 cousins, 2 brothers, 2 stepsisters, and countless friends. This pool is where I grew into the athlete I am today. It's where I forged unbreakable friendships, learned from incredible coaches, and faced fierce competition in both swimming and water polo. This pool shaped my story, and I know it will continue to inspire many more athletes that walk through these doors.
Your support and partnership make this dream a reality. Let's build the future of North Penn together, starting today.